Let's continue on the SAT question we are solving. We are on the number 3 already. Number 3. And the number 3 says 9a raised to power 4 plus 12a squared b squared plus 4b raised to power 4. 4b raised to power 4. Simplify it, and we are told to pick which of the answer is suitable. So what you are going to do is that you label this A, B, C. So once we have the three of them labeled in such a way, we can now be able to operate. We multiply the first one. Let me call this A. So we call this one A. And this is B, and here is C. So if I bring AC together, not actual congruence, but I'm talking about A multiplied by B, I'll be having 9A4 multiplied by 4B4, and that will give me 36A4B raised to power 4. So now I will now bring B down. The B is, this is AC, and B now is what? 12a squared b squared. So I will look for the two factors of this, that when I add the same factors together, it will give me exactly this. And the two factors of this could be 6a squared b squared, another 6a squared b squared. So if I multiply these two together, it's going to give me this. If I multiply, and if I add it up, it's going to give me this on addition. So now solution. I can write 9a raised to power 4 plus 6a squared b squared plus 6a squared b squared plus 4b4. So instead of me to write 12 a squared b squared, I split it like this. So now I can now bring them 2 by 2 and factorize, taking this and this. So what is common now? I can have here 3a squared into 3a squared plus 2b squared. That's all. Here, what is common? I can have 2b squared. 2b squared. Yes. Into what? 3a squared, which is going to give me 6a squared b squared. And here I will have only 2b squared. So by the time I multiply, I have this back. So since this and these are the same, and I'll bring this out, a squared plus 2b squared into, take one of these, that's 3a squared plus 2b squared. And this is the same thing as saying 3a squared plus 2b squared all squared, which is synonymous to option A, which is similar to what? Option A. So that means on this number, option A is the correct answer. You can watch the solution again. Follow the way I do it. You'll be able to get it. So let's quickly go to another number. Let's quickly go to another number. So the next number says, let's have it. Okay, what we just saw finish now is under advanced maths. It's under advanced maths. We are given that square root of 2k squared. We have this square root of 2k squared plus 17 all are under root. Is it plus or minus? Yeah. Plus 17 minus x equal to 0. If k is greater than 0 and x equals 7, in the equation above, what is the value of k? What is the value of k? That's the question. So how do we go about this? We just try as much as possible. We have this. Let's write the solution. So we have 2k squared plus 17. Let's take x to the other side. Becomes like this. But let's not forget that x is also 7. So we can rewrite this to be what? 7. So from there you square both sides. When you square both sides, you have k squared plus what? 17 is equal to 49. That's when you square both sides. So you have this. Then you take this to the other side. Take this to the other side. Then we have 2k squared is equal to 49 minus 17. 49 minus 17, that's 32. K squared, so 4 minus this, that's 3. That minus this, that's 2. Good. We have 32. Divide both sides, we have k squared equal 16. Divide both sides by 2, you have k squared to be 16. Taking the square root of both sides again, we have k is equal to plus or minus square root of 16. And then k is equal to plus or 4. But don't forget that the condition say k is greater than 0, then since k is greater than 0, then we have k to be equal to 4. That will be our answer for this. So k will be equal to 4 on this. So let's quickly move to the next question and we cut it up after this question. Yes, this, and we stop it and we go to the advanced one. So we have a number 4. Question number 4. Now, question number 4. Just follow up and post your question back to me. If there's any of them you didn't understand there, let me know. We have a straight line like this. We have another line that cuts that straight line. And we have this that cuts this. We also have this that cuts this. Wow. We have this. We have this.
All right, ma'am. Go ahead, ma'am.
We have
Please go ahead, ma'am.
so we have P.
What should we do?
We have this, it's X. We have this to be K. This line is called K. Okay, this is why we all know. So we have this. And this line is called line what? L. L and K, good. And we also have this minus 5, 0. Now this is this. What is the question that follow this line now? This is what they say. They say in the XY plane above, line L is parallel to line K. What is the value of P? What is the value of P? If the line are parallel, L is parallel to line K. What is P? That's the question. So the solution is as simple as ABC. It's as simple as ABC. So if the line are parallel, that means the slope will be the same. It means M1 will be equal to M2. That is M of L. M1 of L will be equal to M2 of K. So now let's go. For L, we'll be having Good. We're having 0. Okay, we're having 2 minus 0 and 0 plus 5. That's x1 minus
Thank you
x2.
very much. I
We
appreciate
say it's going to be the same thing as
Thank you, ma'am. 0805
0 plus 4, which is 4 over
Uchichi, we have another twist. I'm sure you heard that it could be a
p.
sexual relationship twist. You did not like the style.
That's it. We say this is going to be this. So we have 2 over 5. It's going to be equal to 4 over p. So we have 2p is equal to what? 20. P is equal to 10. So p is 10. If you see what I do now, I make sure that I equate the. So we have the options. A will be 2. Sorry. We have option A 4, option B 5, and option C 8. Option C 8 and option D 10. So our answer is definitely option D. So this is how it's going. Simple something. Just say what I did is that our gradient is named to be what? Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. So and for the other one, the same thing. So we'll have Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. So I try to do that. This is my Y2. This is my Y2. This is my X2. This is my Y1. This is my X1. Again, this is my Y2. This is my X2. This is my Y1. This is my X1. So on the line K and the line X. So and that's what I did. So kindly watch.
Okay, let me take this.
Rewatch again to get whatever you are not getting there. So the other one, this one is under advanced math likewise, or let me say under trigonometry or geometry altogether. Well, this is geometry coordinates. So we can find this under geometry, or let's just say under advanced math of the question. Okay. We still continue on the same spirit. Continues on the same level in the same spirit. We have if x raised to power a2 divided by x raised to power b2 is equal to x raised to power 16, and x is greater than 1, and a plus b equal what? 12 equal to. So what is the value of a minus b? What is the value? What is a minus b? Is a question. So a minus b becomes a question. How do we go about this? Solution. So what we're going to do firstly is to just apply the law of indices, and from the law of indices we can have this. They have the same base, which is the same parent. Then you can say x